With RoboHelp, you can deliver different content for different audiences from the same project, online or in print, tablet versus smartphone. Here's a travel marketing site. In the table of contents, there are sections for different countries like UK, United States, and Canada. With RoboHelp's conditional tags, the end user can filter content based on their relevant needs, for example, their home country. So by selecting Canada, they only see that company's location information, eliminating the clutter of the other locations. Or add the UK. Or see them all. It's the user's choice. Perhaps they want to filter the table of contents as well. The table of contents only shows Canada now. Filtering also works on index keywords. Authors can now customize the search context message topic by topic, pointing them in the right direction. Here's how the magic happens. In the new RoboHelp, go to the Authoring tab and the Condition Tags panel. Here we have created groups for country, online and print, role, and travel market. To tag content, select it. Then drag and drop the color-coded condition tag on top of the selection. The color highlight identifies the tag. These tags can be removed from the view if you like. The color tags are also applied to the table of content books and pages. Click the Preview in Place icon to test it out. Tick the country box for each condition tag to see how it works. In addition to filtering online content, conditions can also be used for different outputs, such as for printed docs or PDFs. Let's say we want to create a PDF that only shows the content for Canada. Create the Canada Only tag. Drag and drop the UK and US tags over to the right panel and mark to exclude them from the content. We've created a Travel Canada output preset, and after selecting PDF as our output, we do a quick generate. Here's the project in PDF form, complete with a printed table of contents, as well as the index and glossary, creating many single-source outputs with condition tags. It's